indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include traction control, daytime running lights, pass-through rear seat, tire pressure monitoring system, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2017 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers, headlights auto off. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.